the pound yen, we said that it's just sitting right above the structure point. We had a very a gimme trade when we talked about the pound yen, and the same thing with the euro yen. And you can see now, as soon as it finishes, it's just the computer is just okay. This is the Aussie yen, and you can see that our structure point over here, and let me just fix it, is 76.15 right there. We did come and test the 76.15 the other day. We just put twice. We came and tested them, and we bounced off these lows. The yen is strong and the Aussie is weak, and we should be looking for a continuation to the downside. It's quite a big I mean, again, this is one of the pairs that we're going to step aside from because our entries are far apart. So my entry to the long side is going to be above the 78 handle, and my selling point to the downside is below the 76.15. So my entry on either side of the trade is above 100 full yen on either side. And this is typical. My bias is to the short side, but I do not have any clear entries on either side of the trade. And this is the numbers from last week. So our buy, again, this has just been set up from last week. Our buy is 79.13, and our short in this case is going to be the 76.15. I'm not going to do any other changes in that because that's my short is 76.15, and my long is the 78. I think, I'm not sure the number is 7809. Now this is the stops are far apart, and again this is a big trade, and again it's just, but you can draw a gift, guys. If we open in Tokyo session and we break below the range, we're going to take the short. If we break above the range, if you want to scalp it to the upside, feel free, but just keep in mind when it gets above to the 79.13, there will be some decisions being made, and only, I mean, if you really want to take a good long position, you want it to trade above the 79.13. Okay, guys, and with that I thank